What's up, YouTube friends? So Dexter and I, he's down here somewhere, have been commissioned to make Mother a new spring wreath, so that's exactly what we're going to do today. As always, I went to Pinterest for inspiration and I found this picture, and I'm going to recreate that. So the things we're going to need to make one of these wreaths are a 14-inch embroidery hoop. I looked all over the place and I couldn't find one in town, so I actually ordered this off of Amazon. You're going to need some burlap. I found a roll of this with the lace at Walmart in the floral department. I thought the lace was super cute, but if you didn't like the lace, it's just plain on the back. Also at Walmart, I got some of these floral picks for 97 cents each. I got some blues, some yellow and whites, and I really love this grass. I have a few more over here. I then picked up this wooden welcome sign and just spray painted it yellow. I really wanted a nice pop of bright color for spring. You'll need a bow. I attempted to make one, and this is what Mother's getting. So you just need some sort of bow and some ribbon for hanging it. So let's get started. The first thing I did was go ahead and cut a 36-inch piece of my burlap, and this just happens to be 18 inches wide. You just need it wider than your hoop. I'm then just going to fold it in half, and then just fold one of your halves back down, and that's going to give us our little pocket. And then I just give it a nice finger press. Next, we're just going to loosen up our embroidery hoop. You want to put the smaller side underneath. And we want our pocket to go just above the halfway point. And I'm just going to eyeball it. So that looks good to me. And then you just want to stick your larger ring right on top. And sometimes the extra pair of hands really comes in handy at this part. You just want to make sure that your fabric is as taut as possible. So while I'm holding down on the outer ring, I just kind of give it a pull. This will pop off of here if you're not careful. Alright, so it should look like this. Here's my little pocket. Here's what the back looks like. So next I'm just going to take my pinking shears and I'm going to trim all the excess burlap off. Pretty sure you could just use your regular scissors. Those pinking shears really didn't make any less of a mess. Now I am going to hot glue the bow on there, but I think I'm just going to leave these loose in there. That way if Mother wants to, she can change out the flowers. So first I'm just going to put 2 of these grasses in there for some height in the back. Then I'm just going to fill around with these yellow ones. And if need be, I'm just going to trim off some of the bottom. And then finally, I'm just going to stick some of these pretty blue ones in there. And I cut those the shortest. Alright, so I think that's all it really needs. I only used 7 of those picks and they were only 97 cents a piece. I think it looks pretty good. So next I'm just going to take some hot glue and I'm going to hot glue my bow just to cover up that metal part. Then I'm just going to hot glue my welcome sign on there. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. And finally, I'm just going to glue a hanger onto the back. This just happens to be 1.5 ribbon. It's 20 inches long. You could use whatever you wanted. And I'm just going to hot glue it here on the back. So I'm just going to kind of fold over the raw edge a little bit and then just stick it on that glue. Watch your fingers. And now our cute little spring wreath is finished. And I think this could go all the way through summer as well. I hope you give this burlap pocket wreath a try. It was really easy, pretty inexpensive, and super fun to put together. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and comment. Check out all my other playlists for some Scrappy Patch fun. And I'll see you next time.